Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i, and let me share with you how to show total screen time, so how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here we've got the digital well-being and parental controls. So let's enter it, and now let's tap on show your data. And as you can see here, we've got the graph for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, I've been using it for 38 minutes. What's more, here you can check for how long you've been using particular apps. After tapping on it, you can see that we've been using the settings, for example, for 25 minutes and the contacts for 6 minutes. Here you've got also the graph on which you will be able to check particular days of the week and so on and so on. So it's quite a cool option. What's more, you've got the unlocks and notifications count. Under it, you've got ways to disconnect. So you've got the dashboard and wind down. Here you've got also reduce interruptions, so you can manage notifications or enable do not disturb mode. So if you need, let's say, your device to be silent, or you would like to disable particular app, then you can do it right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.